Hi, and welcome to Pro Tuto channel. Today, we are going to talk about Siemens Tia Portal v18, what's new, and its release date. First of all, let's start with taking a look at the previous versions of this software, and the release date for each version. Version 13, it was released in 2014. Its Service Pack 1 was released in 2016. Version 14, it was released also in 2016. Its Service Pack 1 was released in 2017. Version 15, it was released in 2017. Its Service Pack 15.1 was released in 2018. Version 16, release date in 2020. Version 17, release date in 2021. And finally, the new version Tia Portal v18 is about to see the light. Perhaps the SPS 2022 fair will be a good opportunity for its launch, means, between November 20 and November 22, 2022. Now, let's see what is new in the new version v18 of Siemens Tia Portal. Here is a short presentation about Siemens S7-1500 TCPU and Tia Portal v18. Here are some of the new features. First, motion enhancements, velocity gearing, extensions for superimposed motion and camming. Second, 5D, 6D kinematics, kinematic functions for up to 6 interpolating axes. SW Controller TTF, new, Siemens Software Controller TTF for high-end motion control. S7-1500 TTF News, new, Siemens S7-1514 SPTTF performance and memory increase for S7-1511 TTF and S7-1515 TTF drive controller enhancements. Advanced programming. Unit concept with namespaces, failsafe program in SW unit to references, first step. Trace. Long-term trace with Tia Portal, first step, fast Fourier transformation. Stay tuned, and subscribe to learn more about automation and about Siemens Tia Portal. Thanks for watching.